What is going on, everybody? This is Trader Josh, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about ticker symbol SIDU, also known as Sidus Space. Okay, and one thing I do want to tell you guys before I get started about this video. Well, that's another thing, but I will tell you guys first. I want to let you guys know, okay, that God loves you all. Okay, don't you ever forget it. All right, always remember that. Second, I know I did do a video and I did not mention I do have a bald head right now, okay? Don't make fun of me in the comments, all right? I messed up my hair when I was cutting it. I'm trying to learn how to do it on my own, okay? And, you know, sometimes when you mess up, you got to restart, okay? So, don't get on me in the comments below. Also, I want to let you guys know there is some bots or somebody's messing with me and like making fake accounts with my name and joining in the Discord. Okay. I don't know why somebody would do that. Okay. But one thing I will say is if they message you or anything or something, send it to the, matter of fact, I'm going to make a section. All right. We'll get over that. I'm going to make a section. I'll send the screenshots. All right. We ain't going to talk about that. All right. Join the Discord in the link below. Okay. If you make a, false account, I'll just ban you. All right, don't worry about it. We're going to move forward always. All right, Sidus Space, let's get to it. So as you guys see, we are consolidating and moving more sideways, okay? The last video I did make, we were talking about how the trend was a lot steeper than this. And I did mention how if we could break over 2050 and hold for a couple days, then we would most likely find higher lows and we would consolidate, like I said, we'll start moving sideways and eventually find where we can break up, where we can go a little higher. All right, guys, I do over here looking for my phone. It's in my pocket. Guys, I'm glad to be telling you guys about SIDU right now because let me show you guys right now my position. I was doing a current plan is basic. Okay. You don't need anything better than that. Okay. If you have TradingView, basic is all you need. As you can tell, okay, I do everything and I have basic. Okay. I think it's $19.99 a month, but Sidus Space, guys. So look, we did close today exactly at 22 cents with no change. Okay. I am up $17 at the close. Okay. Still have my 900 shares. I'm sorry for that, guys. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm going to look. That's going to be that's going to go ahead and be the picture of the video. All right. Again, I know a lot of people see somebody commented the other day and said, somebody wrote me and said, 900 shares. What is your dang, what'd they say? What's your, they were like, what's your motive? Or like, what are you doing? Basically, like, basically talking down on me for my shares. Like, buddy, look, man, I had no shares. Okay. I have 900 now. Okay. Give me a break, man. Okay. I'll get more. Just, just wait. I'm already up. Okay. At least the second day I get in, I get up, okay. But let's get to it. All right. I'm going to tell you guys right now, after seeing this hit 18 cents, that's what really got me looking into it mostly, okay? It is a penny stock, okay? We got to just be real. It's a penny stock at the moment. It could someday get out of that. It could someday break out of that, that lifestyle. But right now, that's the life that it's living, the penny stock lifestyle, okay? And you got to just accept the fact that it's a penny stock. And with these penny stocks, you have to realize they can go either way, okay? You can make a lot of money or you can lose all your money, okay? You got to have some strength, to decide whether or not you want to sell or not, okay? But like I said, I just seen this while I was telling you guys, okay? So again, like I told you guys before, in my last video, you know what I said. I don't know exactly what I said, but I do know it was something in the area of I believe that we will pull down back to this area before shooting back above and consolidating and making support, which we did. Okay, so now we can move more forward looking. We did fall below. So you guys that watch my video, the 80 of you or something like that, somewhere there. No, okay, after we pulled down, that will be a good place to buy in a little more at the 1950 range. Keep your average below 20. That's what I'm trying to do at least. And I definitely think we'll be seeing them levels again before. I don't think we're going to just be shooting up. I don't think there will be a short squeeze like right away. I don't think it's going to happen tomorrow. I don't think we're going to squeeze, I don't even know if it's anytime soon. But one thing I will say is that 18 cents, 18 to I really say from the 18 to 25 cent range, you can't lose, buying in there. Okay. Because say, months later, look at it as a savings account, basically, months later, it ain't going to go no lower than 18, basically. This ain't going to be no Zilla. No, Lord, forgive me if I'm wrong, forgive me if I'm wrong, but I do not see SIDU. It ain't Zilla, okay? We won't be fighting no 5, 7 cents. We're not going to be pushed, it won't be no talk about, do you think SIDU will ever hit 10 cents? No, I don't believe that, okay? I'm actually very surprised to see it down this low, but then again, I'm actually very proud to see it down this low because I believe these are really, really major discounts, and I'll be loading up all at these levels and most likely holding long term. I want to hold at least 500 shares long term. Okay, I know it ain't nothing, but it's something. Okay, imagine 500 shares for $50 a share. All right, $20, $30. Okay, guys, you never know, but the potential is there with Carol Craig. Supposedly, Carol Craig. If not Carol Craig, if they had to move her out and bring someone else in, I think the potential is there with Sidus Space. If not with Carol Craig, with Sidus Space, it is there. Okay. Or if it wasn't there, I really don't believe that SpaceX and NASA will be looking into them or even having contracts with them like they do. Okay. So really, this is just crazy that we're down here talking about it right now. But then again, times like this do not come. If this really is, what we think it is, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, because honestly, I know a lot of people are gonna, hate on me for saying it, but I feel like whenever life is gonna be different, okay? After a while, life is gonna be back to normal for a lot of people, life's normal for, me and my family and, everybody I know, basically, people are still eating, people are still living, doing things. But there's some people out there that say, things changed since Biden is president or something. There's people who really believe that. So I feel like after Biden's not president, a lot of things could change. When Trump was in office, a lot of things, were different. Okay. Yes. We ain't going to talk about it though. And by the way, I'm not saying that they have anything to do with that because they really don't. It's just, what's the word I'm looking for? It's like kind of like Biden was at the wrong place at the wrong time, That's how I think about it. But, whatever. Okay. I don't care regardless. I don't even know why I came to talk about that. Basically, where was I going with that? I don't even know, really. Things will get better. That's what I was going to say. Matter of fact, even if you're out there and you're struggling right now, things will get better. Okay. God loves you, man. Don't ever forget it. All right. But keep that in mind. Okay. September 11th, 2023 is the date that they have to reach $1 before then. So we got some time still. We're in June, July, August, September. Yeah, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yeah, so we got 3 months. So we got 90 days. Basically, we got 80 days to reach $1. And I've seen SIDU hit $1 multiple times. I have actually sold SIDU at $1 multiple times, and I can show proof. Okay. SIDU was at $1 February 22nd. I sold 1,000 shares at $1 at 6:35 in the morning. And that was February 22nd. You ain't gonna be able to see that. Okay, but February 22nd, and I bought at, let's just see, I bought at 50 cents in the beginning. Then I bought again at 50 cents. See, where's the least I bought at? Okay, so that was back when it was at 50 cents on February 3rd was the first time I bought. Okay, and ever since then, it hit $1 in February, and they got an extension. That's crazy. They got an extension. So let's see, guys. We have hit $1 before. Like, we've hit $1 before. We've seen it happen. Why is it pulled down? We don't know. Okay, but we did hold over $1 for a while. Matter of fact, we held over for a while. You see, we regained compliance. I'm pretty sure. No, we didn't. We never did. We just fell. Just keep falling since July 21st, 2022 at $4.65. Ooh, so really, they've been falling since they've been listed December 14th, 2021. So with that, with me seeing that, where can I go? Let's do 1 month. Let's see what the 1 month looks like. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. So this is the 1 month chart for Sidus Space, and it doesn't look pretty. And honestly, if I look at this and what I can guess from this, they listed themselves at $27, and the market just wasn't filling those prices. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. That's basically what I feel. What it looks like. Okay, they wanted to be listed at $27, and we, the people, and the shareholders, and everybody that was involved probably just said, "Hey, that's a bit high for, the company that you're, you know what I mean? What do they call it? For the index that you would be a part of, basically." Okay, but basically today was a good day. That's what I wanted to do a video about. Okay, I'm sorry I did get a little 15-minute chart. I did get a little off topic for a minute there. Okay, guys, forgive me. Oh man. Now I lost my charts. I hate when this happens. All right, guys, but I will do an update on Sidus Space when probably tomorrow. If it moves like it does today, I'm going to be doing a lot of updates. Hey, look, those are back whenever I did videos. Those are what our support and resistance levels was back in the day. That's crazy. Huh. Well, I hope when we work our way back up there, we'll figure out real quick if those still apply to the stock. Okay, let's get a little. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so we basically went over everything. All right, guys, be watching. Let's try to hold over 2050. If we can close Friday over this 2050 line, then we should be looking very good into the next week, into Monday. Okay, everything. It's looking really nice. Okay, especially if you bought anywhere under 20. Sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, because You really don't have nothing to worry about. I know there's a lot of people who are still holding from, if you're still holding from back when I talked about it in February, you know how I am, and you know how I talk about average down, okay? Because you can always, always save your ass, okay? I'm not gonna lie. I just had to say it, okay? I just had to say it. People get scared, right? Okay, your average is 30 cents, right? It goes down to 20 cents. Now you lost a third of your profits, right? You lost a third of your money. You didn't lose it if you didn't sell, first of all. I'm going to just get that out there. Until you sell, you never lost. Okay, it can always go back up. You can always make your money back. Okay, let's just get that out there. But one thing I will say is if you buy at 30 cents and it goes to 20, you still can average down and put your money right back even. If you could get your average down all the way up there, or at least you could get your averages low. Okay, you can get it as low as it goes, and that's how you make the most money. I did that with Molin. I wasn't disappointed in it. Okay, I did that with a lot of stocks that I was down on, and you get out. That's how you do it, guys. That's how you do this. That's how you play this game. Okay, but I'm not going to talk too much right now. I will be back with another video. I'm going to work on some Molin slides right now. Okay, Mr. Bagel. Hey, man, I like you, man. I seen you. You're still here, man. You're still here watching me, man. I really appreciate that. Like, you still stayed. I had a little break. I had things to do. Okay, I had to take care of some things. You know, I had to take care of real life stuff. Okay, so I wasn't here. But Mr. Bagel, you stayed. A lot of people stayed. A lot of people stayed. Okay, I appreciate you, real ones out there. Appreciate you guys. I hope we can make a lot of money together in the future. And until then, I will see you guys when I see you guys in my next Trader Josh episode. Okay? All right.